It's the end of July and we had some hot new products drop on acmetools.com. We're talking items from DeWalt, Milwaukee, Evolution, Yeti, and much more. And we're gonna dive into a few of those drops in today's video. Let's kick it off with what Milwaukee fans have been begging for. It's the Milwaukee PACKOUT Rack Kit. This thing's a game changer for anyone's setup. Just slide the drawers in and out for easy access, and you can mount this thing just about anywhere, whether that's your van, your truck, your trailer, or your shop. The PACKOUT Rack Kit is available on acmetools.com right now for pre-order. You can get it for $1,999.99. And we also have the PACKOUT Rack and the drawers, so you can fully customize your setup. You're going to want to get this. It's a game changer for your setup. Next up, DeWalt is coming in strong for the plumbing crew with the 20-volt MAX Pipe Prep Tool. It's the world's first battery-operated design power tool solely dedicated for deburring the inside and outside edges of pipe and circular tubing. No more hand scrubbing. Complete a variety of applications with a 3/8 inch to 2 inch capacity. This is shipping right now out of Acme Tools, and you can pick it up for $219. Milwaukee's back with a beast in a small package. It's the M12 FUEL 3/8 inch Subcompact Impact Wrench, and this thing is only 4.5 inches long. It's built for under the hood access, and yeah, it might be small, but it still provides 225 foot-pounds of nut busting torque when paired with the Milwaukee M12 Red Lithium High Output CP 2.5 battery pack. You get a friction ring and 4-control drive mode for precision work. And you also get an auto shut-off mode, which prevents over-tightening and increased productivity by applying no more than 15 foot-pounds of torque. It's small, but don't sleep on its power. This is available for pre-order right now on acmetools.com for $349. This one's all about versatility. It's the new Evolution 8MTS convertible miter table saw, which gives you 2 tools in one. Use it as a miter saw for angled cuts, then flip it over and boom, now you got a table saw. This is compact enough for your small shops and mobile setups, but powerful enough to handle your serious cuts. And with Evolution's multi-material cutting technology, you can go from wood to metal without changing your blade. You can get this for $300 on acmetools.com right now. Yeti just dropped their new Wetlands color across coolers, bags, and drinkware. It's a deep earthy green that's built for the outdoors, whether you're at your job site, campsite, or tailgate. And like all Yeti seasonal colors, they're not around forever, so pick yours up today at Acme Tools. That's the July lineup. All these tools are available now for order or pre-order on acmetools.com. And don't forget to check out our What's New tab to check out everything that's new. Drop a comment and let us know which ones you're picking up. And we'll see you next month for more new releases. Do your best work.